My Toyota Hilux 2.7 All3 RZ Project Engine Rebuild.